let's be real. Baking a whole cake while on keto? Now that can be a trap. But this pumpkin spice mug cake keeps you satisfied and on track. It's moist, fluffy, and has true cake-like texture. All low carb and ready in minutes. So let's make it. First, we'll need almond flour. We'll be using 2 tablespoons almond flour. Next, you'll need some coconut flour. And the coconut flour will help control the moisture in this recipe. We'll be adding 1/2 tablespoon. Then we'll add egg white protein powder, which helps lift and hold the mug cake. And you'll need 1 teaspoon. Follow that with 1 tablespoon of allulose to sweeten without adding any extra carbs. And last, we'll add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon pumpkin spice. Now, while you do not need to sift this, you do want to make sure there are no clumps. So mix everything until the dry ingredients are well incorporated. Once that's mixed, we're going to add pumpkin puree. Make sure it's 100%. You don't want any additives. You're going to be adding 1/2 tablespoon pumpkin puree, followed by 1.5 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. And if you like it extra moist, use 2 like I did here. Here's a quick tip. Mix the wet mixture to one side. Once they are well incorporated, mix in the dry ingredients. This will help you get a very consistent batter. Now, in a small ramekin, spray with oil or coat with butter. Spread it evenly to coat the entire inside. Add your mixture, level it out, and place it in the microwave. If you use 1.5 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, cook approximately 1 minute and 20 seconds. If you use 2 tablespoons, cook for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once it's done, give it a quick toothpick test. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then, give it a flip over onto a napkin or plate. Here's the drier version, using 1.5 tablespoons cream. And this is the moisture version, using 2 tablespoons. Now, let's answer a question from my last cookie video. Someone asked if the cookie could be made in an electric tortilla press. So here's a quick visual of what happened. I wasn't too optimistic, but it actually yielded some pretty cool results. As you can see here, it did get some holes in it, which I expected since this was a first run. But the outcome was pretty amazing. I present you chocolate Doritos. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.